Got a busy day planned. They have to go in there. So, time to cut some holes in my brand new van. Got to cut out these ribs, so there's 3 on this side. Sliding doors, much the same, just got a slightly different reinforcing rib. So before cutting, just want to double check and make sure the glass is actually right size. So just putting some tape around the edge there to protect it from getting scratched. Next one is to mark out exactly where we're going to do the cut. I'm cutting the hole 10mm larger than the unmasked section of the glass, just so you don't see the metal through the glass. Then to draw on the radii for the corners, which fortunately turned out to be the same size as a 2-litre paint tin. Finally hold the glass back in place just to make sure I can't see the cut line anywhere, and then we're good to go. Nice. So this is the problem with nibblers, they don't go straight. I'm going to try and put a straight edge on this. It doesn't usually work all that well, but might get a little bit better. Gave up on the straight edge for the rest of it and resigned myself to the fact I'm going to have to use the flapper wheel to grind it down. Okay. Next, deburr all the cuts, then put some Colgao paint on the cut surface. Then black out a small section of the internal frame. A lot of faffing about for just a little tiny bit of paint like that. Using the Sika 258 adhesive, which just recommends using window cleaner to clean the bonding surface. Then clean the window side as well, make sure it's all nice and clean, ready for the adhesive to go on. So I've got the pinch weld over the edge there. That just sort of tidies up that ugly cut edge, but it also gives a bit of a spacer for the glue in the glass, so that you don't want the glass to go totally flat against that, otherwise you squish it all out. So we need a little bit of a gap, and that will help give us a gap. With a bit of luck anyway. Now let's glue it up. You can see that there, I've cut a bit of a wedge out of the tube, so we'll just walk around the glass now. Come that way a bit.
Yeah.
Alright. That's alright.
It's okay.
Check the gaps.